This is RS Logix 5000 of the Allen Bradley, and here you can see its software. I have opened it. In this video we will see how the digital inputs are used in the ladder logic and how they look like and how the inputs are shown in a ladder logic, and we will also try to clear the concept of normally open and normally closed contacts or the inputs. So this is about the digital inputs. Here you can see it's the wrong number 44. Here you can see this is the wrong number, and this is a digital input. Here you can see address of the digital input. We will connect our field switch to this address. This address is CNB A1 to I data 11. CNB is the abbreviation of control net bridge, and the A1 is its tag. Slot is 2 and channel is 11. That means we have connected our cables to the channel number 11. Usually the Allen Bradley have 32-bit cards. Digital input cards have 32 inputs, and we have connected this input at the channel number 11. This is the normally open contact we have used. That means here will be no supply in normal position. When we will press this switch, then it will be closed, and then our output will be high. We can configure any output as per our requirement. We can use it to run something, a motor or some jack or proxy, SOV or anything, or we can use it inside the logic as a memory bit. Here we are using it as a local ready. That means there is a switch in the field like a selector switch. When we will turn it to the local side, this input will become high. When this will become high, it will show green. That means the input is high from the field and the switch is closed, and then our output will also become high and it will show the green. Like here you can see, I am just showing you that how we can detect that this input is high or low, or our output is high or low. With this green color we can imagine that our signal is high. So this is about the normally open contact, how they are used in a ladder logic. We will also see that how the normally closed contact look like and how they are configured in a program in a ladder logic. Here you can see this is a normally closed contact we are using in our logic. Here you can see this is a normally closed contact on rung number 32. There is a line inside both, and this will show us that this is a normally closed contact. This also have a address and output. So when this input will be low, then this output will become high. because this is normally closed. In normally closed mean everything is okay, but when this will become low, that means there is a problem, and this output will become high and give us alarm, or it will stop something as per our program. So these normally closed contacts are mostly used for the safety purpose. If our cable is broken, then it will give us alarm, or when the contact from the input is become open, it will give us the output. Here from the go to the cross section. In the cross reference we can see that whether this input is used somewhere else. Here you can see this is used in main program and its routine is DIA. Its rung number is shown here and its address is shown. So this is used only on rung number 32. It's not used anywhere else. So by going to the cross reference we can check whether this input is used anywhere else in the program.